So if we just take a look at Sharkcat, then this is a crypto that a lot of people have been requesting recently. You can see this is the non-logarithmic scale. Right now, looking like Sharkcat, basically massive pump and then a huge dump, but looking like we're bottoming out in this local area. Really, I would say if I get my box. Where is my box? There it is. You can see we've got a few points of interest here. We've obviously got a bit of a support and resistance zone here. And then this area of structure here where we have been bouncing is also a big point of, I'd say, support where we have been bouncing recently quite a lot. You can see on the charts here very, very clearly that we have basically this nice little bit of structure here where we first had that huge pump to the upside, made a few stopping gaps along the way, as you can see. And then you can see we've come down into this area and got a bounce, and come down into this area again and got a bounce down at around what we're looking at, 4 cents. I said yesterday that this would probably be a good area of entry, and since then we're up around 100% or 2x from basically calling this low down here around 4 cents. You can see we bounced at this area multiple times, and I do think Sharkcat's probably got the narrative to continue to bounce in these areas and wait for its moment to have another big move to the upside. This is obviously on the non-logarithmic chart. The logarithmic chart looking a bit less interesting in my opinion in terms of areas where you could see ourselves entering, because obviously we've got this massive pump here, and since then we've really just been having a little bit of a retracement accumulation type situation. As you can see, we've still been bouncing in a similar area though. If I just get my box out again, this is the chart that I will probably be using from now on, logarithmic chart. But you can see all-time high area of resistance up there that needs to go up and get tested, and probably will be. With meme coins having another run up soon, in my opinion, we'll probably see this happen. But you can see this area here, this is where we bounced 4 cents multiple times here, and you'd probably expect meme coins having another run to the upside. You'd probably see Sharkcat come up and test that all-time high up at around 40 cents there, which is obviously around a 5x from the current price. Very, very nice potential gains there. I think the market cap, what is the market cap right now? About 50 million, I think. 25, 30, 40, 50 million. So obviously a lot of room for growth and potential for a big move to the upside as well. Overall, I think this chart is looking pretty good and probably primed for a bit more of a tasty move to the upside. Obviously, if we see history repeat and we have another massive move to the upside, that is going to be absolutely insane for the price as well. If I can just find my price range, you can see here a very, very ridiculous price movement to the upside. I'm not saying this is going to happen again, but you can get an idea of the, potential kinds of multiples that we could be looking at. 40 cents for the all-time high. That's around a $500 million market cap. Obviously, another 10x from there would be around $4, which is somewhere in this region here. That would probably be around $5 billion market cap. If we saw, $10, $15, we'd be looking at $15, $20 billion market cap in this area here. I don't think we're going to be heading up this crazy amount again that we did in the initial surge, but I do think we've still got potential to have some big multiples going in for Sharkcat overall. Things looking really good on this chart for a bounce, in my opinion. The narrative is obviously there, so let's see what we can do.